Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add schema markup to your HubSpot website step by step. If you want Google to better understand your website, help eligible pages qualify for rich results, and make your content easier for search engines and other systems to understand, this tutorial is for you. Most HubSpot websites focus on creating great content, landing pages, and offers, but one important part of technical SEO is often overlooked: structured data. Your website may look perfect to visitors, but search engines still need clear information about what your pages, articles, products, services, and business actually represent. That's where schema markup comes in. Schema markup is structured data that helps search engines understand the content and meaning of your website. Schema markup is commonly implemented using JSON-LD, a machine-readable format that Google supports. When implemented correctly and when a page meets Google's requirements, structured data can help eligible pages qualify for enhanced search results. Without structured data, search engines may have less explicit information about certain elements of your content. With the right schema markup, eligible pages may qualify for enhanced search features. For example, depending on the schema type and Google's eligibility requirements, you may be able to enhance how information such as articles, products, or other supported content is presented in search. According to Google Search Central case studies, websites using structured data have seen major improvements in click-through rates and engagement. First, Rotten Tomatoes. They added structured data to over 100,000 pages and saw a 25% higher click-through rate on pages with rich results. Next, the Food Network. They enabled rich search features on 80% of their pages and saw a 35% increase in visits. Then comes Rakuten. They found that users spent 1.5 times more time on pages with structured data, along with a 3.6 times higher interaction rate. A Nestlé. Pages appearing as rich results achieved an 82% higher click-through rate compared to standard listings. Here's another important issue that brands need to think about. People are no longer relying only on traditional search. People are increasingly using AI tools like ChatGPT and Gemini to research brands, products, and services. Sometimes, AI may misunderstand or present business information incorrectly. As AI-powered search grows, it's important for businesses to ensure their brand, services, and products are clearly represented and easily discoverable. Structured data can help search engines understand entities, relationships, products, content, and other information on your website. However, schema markup does not guarantee that your website will appear in AI overviews, ChatGPT, Gemini, or any other AI search experience. Now, let's walk through how to add schema markup to your HubSpot website step by step. You can use JSON Schema app to generate, validate, and manage your schema markup without manually writing code. First, create your account with JSON Schema app and connect your HubSpot website. It automatically scans your website, identifies missing or incorrect schema, and helps you fix schema errors quickly. Once connected, the app scans your website and identifies the appropriate schema types for each page. Once the schema is added, copy your product page URL. Open the Rich Results Test tool and paste the URL. Run the test and check whether the product and review schema are detected correctly. If everything is valid, your website is ready for review rich results. That's where JSON Schema app can help. Instead of manually creating and maintaining structured data for every page, a schema automation solution can help generate and manage structured data at scale. Before you go, here are a few quick tips. Use product schema on product pages. Use FAQ schema where you answer customer questions. Use organization schema on your homepage. Use local business schema if you serve customers in specific locations. And always make sure your schema matches the content that appears on the page. And if you want to learn more about schema markup, structured data, and SEO, make sure to check out the other videos on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.